Elephants have the longest pregnancy of any mammal, 22 months. At this late stage, you can even see the calf moving. Longili's been separated from the rest of the herd. She's young and inexperienced. Older, more dominant females could crowd her out. So she's best left on her own to bond with her newborn. In the wild, the whole herd chips in to help bring up the babies. So calves learn the ropes within a secure, tightly knit family. A 2-year pregnancy gives the baby plenty of time to develop. So when it's born, it can already stand up and keep up. But they don't stand a chance against guns. Poachers shoot them for meat and ivory, and they clash with farmers who need more space for their crops. Elephants are slowly being squeezed from their territories. Unless ways can be found for elephants to live alongside humans, their future is bleak. The herd at San Diego was one of the lucky ones. Forced off their homelands, they were going to be shot. But American zoos stepped in and rescued them, bringing them all the way from Swaziland in Africa. They're now part of a countrywide breeding program, and they're thriving. 4 baby elephants have already been born in the park in just 3.5 years.